Yo, what is up, guys? Today we are going to talk about easy way to treat cold hands or cold feet. So this was one of my problems that I used to have. I used to have like really cold hands for some reason and really cold feet. Like my circulation was not good in those body parts. For some reason it was always cold, and now it can get warm like the rest of my body. So as always, if you find this video useful, make sure you give it a like and make sure you check out my channel for more videos like this. Okay, so let me give you this one simple exercise. It takes only a couple of minutes a day, and let me show you what it is. So this is the exercise. So make sure you have ice, right? So it's easy. You can fill up those little containers and put them overnight, and you can use them in the morning. And what I want you to do is take, I don't know, like however you feel comfortable. So it's pretty cold, right? So take a lot of ice and take a little container, right? And I want you to fill that container with really the coldest water there is, right, in your wherever you live in your house. So just turn it to the coldest, right? And I want you to fill that container. And when you fill that container with cold water, I want you to fill it with ice that was left overnight in the freezer. So once you have that, just mix it up a little bit so everything gets even more colder. And now here is the exercise. So first exercise is take a few deep breaths, like through your mouth. So make sure you push the air through your stomach, chest, right? So it's few deep breaths. I would take like 5 deep breaths, like that, right? And once you've done that, slowly, first of all, take a timer, right? And press start and put your hands in the in that container with ice and cold water, and you will see that it will actually, maybe it will hurt a little bit in the beginning. So what this means is that your veins on your hands are actually getting smaller and smaller, right? And so the less blood can go through them, so it will hurt a little bit, but it's okay. This is the exercise by Wim Hof. I started doing this exercise. It helped me with my problem of cold hands and cold feet. And I would say I usually go for, with hands, I go with 4 minutes. You can do 2 or 3 minutes. I go for 4 minutes, and with my feet, I go for 7 minutes, right? So right after I did hands, I put my feet in there, right? And I hold it for 7 minutes, and it will hurt a little bit, but you will see it will get easier. So what this also does, this exercise, it helps you to become mentally stronger, right? Because you can actually see your capabilities, yeah, right? And what you are able to do, and you will learn that you are to do so much with your body. Wim Hof once said, if we always choose comfort, we'll never learn the deepest capabilities of our mind and our body. It's a pretty great quote, and the cold actually will help you to solve that problem. It helped me. I don't see why it cannot help you. Yeah, that was the exercise. Make sure you do that exercise. I will link a video called Face in Eyes. Also, it's a great exercise if you want to have that glowing, beautiful skin. And I will link that video right now in the upper right corner. Make sure you go watch it straight after this one. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it useful, make sure you do the exercise and then let me know down in the comments how it worked for you. And check out my channel. I do psychology and health stuff, right? And yeah, if you enjoy this video, please give it a like, subscribe, share it with someone who would maybe need this video, right? Or anyone who would find it useful. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye and peace.